On open ice, the wind is the real terrain.
First you read the wind, then you choose where to work. A few inches of relief can save hours of struggle.
You stage your work where the wind can't steal it.
Order first, then drilling. A good hole starts with a good location. Drilling is heat if you keep it controlled.
Open water on ice is both resource and risk.
You keep the hole alive or it closes on you.
In this cold, fishing becomes precision. 2 holes give you options, and options are warmth.
You work fast, but never sloppy.
Now you wait while you build heat elsewhere. Fishing can wait, heat can't.
Once the lake is mapped, you turn survival into a system.
Before you cook, you lock down your gear.
On open ice, a simple lane is a lifeline.
You reduce friction everywhere you can. A good cook zone starts with stable ground.
Cold fuel punishes impatience.
You don't beat wind chill, you block it. A flame this small is still a turning point.
Slow feeding keeps the fire alive. You rotate tasks so nothing fails silently.
Cold metal steals heat before it gives any back.
Liquid water is heat you can carry.
Fishing and cooking share the same enemy, the wind. Once the system is stable, you can build the next step.
You don't wait on open ice without cover.
A wall this small can still bring you wind. Smooth the top so gusts glide over.
On ice, the sled becomes structure.
A controlled entrance keeps snow outside.
Hard ground means stable heat. A roof stops spindrift from eating your flame.
Organization is warmth you don't spend.
Cover lets you watch without freezing.
Holes freeze while you blink.
Every re-entry is a chance to soak your shelter. Stop drafts before they touch the flame. Simple rules keep the system dry.
With shelter built, heat becomes efficient.
Heat starts when the system is calm. A stable flame is a protected flame. Low heat lasts longer than high heat.
Water begins with the cleanest snow.
Water arrives one bubble at a time.
Pre-warm the metal or you pay twice.
Liquid water is heat you can carry. Boil when you can, always. Stored water is future warmth.
The holes freeze while you're cooking.
Keep the hole alive, keep the chance alive.
Re-entry is where you protect the system.
With water secured, food becomes the next fuel. In Windchill, prep has to be clean and fast. Light food still carries real heat. Hot water turns rations into meals. Nothing spilled is cold. In cold, small adjustments matter most. Thicker food holds warmth longer. Cold metal steals heat fast. The first cup restores control.
Heat stays where you plan it.
Warmth is a loop you maintain. Eating is maintenance, not comfort. When flame ends, insulation keeps working. With food secured, you return to systems.
In Windchill, you choose where every bit of heat goes.
small flame, protected well, lasts. Boiling wastes fuel. Simmer saves it. Moisture is a threat you can steer.
You tune the flame like a tool.
Insulation lets you spend less fuel.
Small loops keep the system warm.
Cooking pauses, holes don't.
With water softly.
Keep the hole alive, keep the chance alive.
Re-entry is where systems fail, if you let them.
When the flame is stable, you shift to routine.
In extreme cold, routine is what keeps you alive. Dry gear is warm gear tomorrow.
Wet snow becomes ice fast.
Layers only work if they stay dry.
Clean tools save time you don't have.
The wind tells you what it will do next.
Holes close while you're staying warm.
A living hole is a working hole. Every return is a reset.
Yeah.
Moisture is the slow disaster. Stillness saves heat.
You check before you feel.
Routine is what makes extreme cold manageable.
On open ice, night turns wind into pressure.
Tension is what keeps the pocket alive.
A clear exit is a safety system. A better wall makes quieter air.
You breathe out moisture, or you freeze inside. Night is when accidents happen.
You watch because the ice won't wait. Holes close faster at night.
tight defense is mostly small resets.
Moisture is the slowest threat.
At night, readiness so is warmth. If the system holds, you hold. Night is survived one small check at a time.
You use calm to confirm safety.
Look right here. Noted. Okay.
Shelter failure shows up as small signs.
You decide where water becomes ice. You check before you feel it.
Circulation is your first defense. Direction is safety on open ice. Night ends, but cold stays. Tools need to be found by instinct.
Fishing is patience, maintained. You keep systems alive with small actions.
If you can pack fast, you can leave safe.
When the lull lasts, you move.
Discipline turns cold into a process.
When everything checks out, you start the exit. Packing clean is packing safe.
Leaving nothing loose is part of survival.
You open the pocket only when you're ready to move.
You end the fishing clean so you can leave clean.
On open ice, you never linger. Balance the sled, and the sled protects you. Loose fabric is the quickest mistake out here.
A clean exit is a controlled exit.
Movement is heat you can control. Warmth is a place you build, then leave, then leave. And this is how we survive extreme cold from start to finish. Discipline is what carries you across the ice.
Comment what's next.